Okay, welcome back. This next one I think should be pretty quick. When we start up the application, we always see the button for going to filtered. But of course, if we have no filters selected, it's identical to the original. And I just think that that would be, it'd be better if we didn't see this button if there are no filters selected. So let's do that in a fairly simple way. Now, funny thing is, this is a thing called a UI, what's it called? A button bar item. And they're a little different. There's no hide show value for them. And usually, if you look this up, there's a lot of different ways that people document for hiding these things, and they usually involve removing them from the from the bar and then adding them back dynamically. But from our perspective, all we care is, if we've got the original here and we got no filter selected, it'd be nice if we didn't see that label. Okay, so why don't we just do that? Okay, so let's go into the source and we're just going to change the title. When we show the original image, at the moment, we go to that swap button image, we set it to filtered. I just like to make one small change here. We want to go to our filter model. I think it's called select filter model. What's it called? Filter model, selected filters, right. We want to make a decision based on how many filters are selected. So we're going to say, go to selected filters, go to the filters, give me the count, and if the count's equal to 0, then, and here's where I put my, I think it's called a ternary operator. We do that, otherwise we show that. Does that make sense? Actually, I think I prefer it the other way. I'm going to say if the count is greater than 0, then we show our default message. Otherwise, we want to blank out the label. Okay, that should do it. Now, the button is still there. We just don't see a label now. So let's give that a shot. It should clear up the initial view, make it a little more clean. Because the button doesn't actually... good. The button is actually there. Let's click on it. Oh, there it is. It's actually there, but we don't see it. So it makes things more uncluttered, and it does no harm. You can always flip between the two. Now let's go to my select filters. We'll add a filter. Let's do the grayscale filter. Let's apply that. Nice. So that acts like normal. But if we ever get to a state where we have no filters, then we're expecting when we're showing the original, we don't see the thing anymore. And that works for me. So that's it for this one. And oh, you know what? As long as we're in here doing little stuff, I see we have a warning that we've had for a while. Oh, the frame for the busy weight spinner. Okay, that's simple enough to fix. Let's just go. This is basically saying that what it's showing on our preview doesn't match with the constraints that we've done. So let's update the frames and let's run. That was pretty simple. And we'll just make sure that the spinner still shows up. So let's grab one of our lengthy operations, like that one. We see the spinner, it's in the same spot, all is well. Okay, looking pretty good. Nice. Okay, that's it for this one. Catch you in the next one. Thank you.